Hi everybody, this is Tariq. Welcome to English Literature and Linguistics with Tariq Sheikh. Today our topic is Greek tragedy versus English tragedy. We will try to bring about differences between Greek tragedy and English tragedy. But before going into the details of differences, we need to look at the definition of tragedy. Okay, let's move for the definition first. It is a genre of literature, drama, or other artistic form that depicts a serious downfall or suffering of a virtuous protagonist. Now, the question is, what is protagonist? Okay, let me tell you. In tragedy, the protagonist, known as the tragic hero or heroine, is often a person of high status or noble birth, possessing admirable qualities or virtue. However, they are flawed or make mistakes that lead to their eventual downfall or destruction. This is the definition we talked about. Now let's try to bring about some differences between Greek and English tragedy. Let's move for it. So far as differences between them is concerned, first comes the origin and historical. As far as Greek tragedy is concerned, it started from the Greece during the 5th century and was performed as the religious festivals. It was closely tied to the Greek mythology and explored themes like fate, morality, and relationship between humans and the gods. As far as English tragedy is concerned, it appeared during the Elizabethan period. It was influenced by the classical works and humanist ideas, but also reflected the cultural and social context of Renaissance England. Hope you understood this. Let's move to the next slide. The second difference is of structure. What is the structure between the Greek tragedy and English tragedy? As far as Greek tragedy is concerned, Greek tragedy followed three unities. They consisted of three main sections, prologue and parodies. Parodies means entrance of chorus, and episodes, which means dialogues between the characters. As far as English tragedy is concerned, they did not follow the unities or they did not follow the specific structural format. Though the dialogue between characters played a central role and there was less emphasis on the involvement of chorus. Let's move to the next slide. The third difference between them is of themes and subject matter. As far as Greek tragedy is concerned, Greek tragedies explored themes such as fate, divine intervention, and they focused on the legendary or mythological figures such as Oedipus and others also. And now we come to English tragedy and see what themes they included. They actually included wide range of themes, including ambition, power, revenge, and the human condition. They often depicted historical events or drew inspiration from contemporary society. Now, the fourth difference is of language and style. Greek tragedies were originally written and performed in ancient Greek. They employed poetic language, metaphors, and formal verse, such as iambic pentameter. As far as English tragedy is concerned, English tragedies were written and performed in early modern English. They used more naturalistic style of dialogue, incorporated prose and verse. Okay, now the conclusion is both the tragedies differ in many aspects. Both traditions have contributed significantly to the development of theatre and continued to be celebrated for their profound exploration of human conditions. This is all about the tragedy we talked about. Hope you understood, and please stay connected with the channel English Literature and Linguistics with Tariq Sheikh for future videos. Thank you very much indeed.